Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are diving into the world of luxurious living room decor, a space that is not just a room but a heaven for relaxation and entertainment. Why it is so important? Well, your living room is the heart of your home. Whether you unwind after a long day and share joyful moments with loved ones, creating a luxurious living room is not about being fancy, it is about crafting a cozy retreat. So grab a seat and join us as we explore simple yet fabulous ideas to turn your living space into a polished sanctuary. Furniture has a big role in changing how the room feels. Imagine a cozy living room. It is the statement furniture that really stand out and make it special. Think of a super comfy sofa, a stylish coffee tables and comes cool chairs. These are the key pieces that scream luxurious. It is not just about looks, it is about choosing stuff that stay classy over time. So go for furniture that fits the room, is vibe and stay stylish even as trends change. A polished sofa and elegant coffee tables and designer chairs are not just things, they are the magic that turns a room into a luxurious space you will love. Choose wisely, dive into the realm of fancy texture and fabrics to jazz up your living room. Think velvet, silk, and fox fur. These materials are not just for looks but for comfy, stylish living. Your sofa dressed into velvet softness to pillows adorned with silky smoothness, and fox fur through adding a touch of polished coziness. Now the magic happens when you layer these texture. It is like creating a visual symphony. Each layer adds depth, making your living space feel like a sophisticated heaven. So embrace the texture, mix them up, and let your living room be a cozy chic sanctuary that is as easy on the eye as it is on the touch. Proper lighting transform your living room into a cozy heaven. Imagine elegant pendant lights, dazzling chandeliers, and chic floor lamps stealing the spotlight. These are not just decoration, they are the secret source for setting the right mood. Thoughtfully placed light create a warm and inviting atmosphere, making your space feel like a luxurious retreat. Your stylish furniture and texture bathed in a gently glow, emphasizing their beauty. Lighting is not just about brightness, it is about enhancing your room characters. So whether you are reading a book on the sofa or hosting a movie night, the right lighting turns every moment into a visual stunning experience. It is the finishing touch that brings your living room to life, making it a place you will love to relax in. Creating a beautiful living room starts with picking the right colors that work together like a dream teams. Imagine colors as your room best friend. They should get along and make the space feel fantastic. Choose classy and fancy colors like claiming neutrals, rich jewel tones, and shiny materials touches. It is like putting together a stylish outfit. Each color play a special role. To make it easy, start with a base color, add a couple of sporting colors, and sprinkle in metallic for the extra oomph. This way your living room becomes a cozy and welcoming place where color work together like a symphony, making you and your guest feel right at home. Transforming your living room into a luxurious heaven is all about these personal touches. Imagine your space as a canvas waiting for your unique expression. Start by selecting artwork that resonates with you. It could be vibrant painting. Transform your living room into a luxurious heaven. Is all about these personal touches. Imagine your space as a canvas waiting for your unique expression. Start by selecting artwork that resonates with you. It could be vibrant painting. Decorate vases, add a touch of sophistication, while unique sculptures tell a story. This personal element not only reflects your style but also create a warm and inviting atmosphere. It is like adding a piece of yourself to the room design. So don't be afraid to infuse your personality into this space, whether it is through family photos, travel, or DIY crafts. Make your living room an extension of you. Incorporate these ideas and watch your living room transform into a luxurious heaven. Don't forget to share your thoughts below, and for more design inspiration subscribe to our channel.